Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Vaporeon look. It's a look from Pokemon. I might be doing a series of it, I might not, I'm not sure yet. But this is the Vaporeon look. So I'm starting off with doing very simple blue from Snazaroo face paint. It's this light blue and I'm putting it on my face, my neck, my chest, and my shoulders. After that I'm taking a dark blue Metamorphosis color, and then I am also using some glitters that I got from A Devil's Kiss on Instagram. I used mermaid scales and also movie star in this look. And then after that I'm doing my eyeliner and lashes. After putting in my black contacts, my eyes watered a little bit, so I had to go back and put the light blue back underneath my eyes. And looks like this, I do that all the time. So I'll go back and forth between the dark blue and the light blue, and just kind of layering the face paint to get a good clean color all around. And then with the dark blue I did a little bit of a contour with the face paint using Vaporeon, and then also doing it on my temples, my forehead. I did a little bit on my neck, but later it's going to be white, so it's not like that really matters too much, but basically just giving depth to the face. After that I went in with white. Same from Vaporeon, the same palette, Paradise Paint palette, the basic color. And then I just made this shape that Vaporeon has kind of around his whole head. I just did that on my neck, and then I filled that space in with white. Going back to the eyes, Vaporeon has these two big fins that come out kind of like ears, and making sure that it still stays face paint and not as many prosthetic special effects, I incorporated that into the eyeliner. And so I created that shape by doing 3 or 4 of those super extended lines and then connecting them. And then once that is done, I added a little bit more depth to my face by putting eyeshadow right at the corners of the tops of my nose, and then almost connecting it to my eyebrows. And then going back, making the whole look darker, I went back with the dark blue from Vaporeon. And then just so the chest itself isn't super flat and non-dimensional, I kind of highlighted right below my collarbones. So my collarbones are painted with the white, I went below that. And then I did dark blue kind of in the lower chest, on the shoulders, and then I went back right underneath the white, and I made that the darkest, so it would pop from the shadow from the white. And after that is blended, I took my eyeliner brush and went back in black just to make it crisper. Also, it just looks, I feel like it looks better with cartoons type of a looks when you outline everything in black, because everything is kind of outlined in black in cartoons and animes and stuff like that. So it just gives it kind of that look. And then also, I didn't film this part, but on my neck you can kind of see I did black lines. I just did that with an eyeliner pen and just did 4 lines down my neck. And then Vaporeon kind of has this dorsal fin type of a look, so what I did is I just did this big triangle in the middle of my forehead to kind of show that. without having this giant mermaid horn type thing sticking out from my head. And there you go, this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed it, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all of that. And I hope you lovelies have a great rest of your day.